Hi everyone, I'm just going to go over how to do your Edgenuity lessons and take notes at the same time. So I have both screens open, I have my Edgenuity here, and then I have my notes here. So that I'm not constantly going back and forth between the two, it'd be easier to have both open at the same time. So if you guys don't know how to do this yet, you want to snap your screen. So if you grab, in this case, the Edgenuity lesson, I'm going to snap it over to the left, and you guys can see how it kind of highlights there. And then it lets me select what I want to be shown on the right. So on the right, I'm going to have my notes. And that way I can watch my Edgenuity lesson and take notes at the same time. You guys have that ability with your touch screens. You can use your finger or a stylus, put those notes in, make sure you save it and download it to your Chromebook, and then you're going to submit that assignment on Schoology. The video before this showed you how to do this, but that's how I'd recommend doing this. I would have one screen open on one side and then have your notes open on the other. That way you can do both at the same time. Let me know if you guys have any problems or any questions with this.